Mike, our website ranks well and we're the highest rated contractor in our area, but our leads have dried up. We have capital. What's the best bang for your buck ad wise? Do you recommend any companies to advertise? We have uniforms, logo trucks, etc. I think the number one thing that I would say to someone who has, it sounds like a pretty sizable business, is I see consistently people are not farming their current database, and you're not asking for the upsell, you're not asking for the cross sell. And so that would be the number one thing I see consistently with locations that are pretty sizable and very, very established, is they're not farming. They're not trying to get more leads and upsell more services to their existing customers. If you offer like 3 or 4 services and someone buys one of them, your only goal in life should be trying to get them to buy number 2, 3, and 4. Because why would I go? And this is what's happening. You offer one service, let's say it's mowing, okay? And you got mowing customers, and you're going out and trying to find new customers to do mowing or leaf cleanup or fertilization, weed control, or mulching or property cleanups or whatever it is. When all you should be doing is taking this person you've already sold to and they've already purchased from you and they already liked your product and service. You should be focusing on getting them to go from 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 services. That is much simpler and a much lower customer acquisition cost. It's just going to mean that you need to stay in touch with those customers and ensure that you have great customer service. Those 2 things alone will allow you to double or triple your business.